This is a quick, easy video on how to time a 3URFE engine. These engines are found in Tundras, Sequoias, Land Cruisers, and Lexus vehicles. This is a 5.7 Toyota engine. I don't have much memory on my phone, so I have to go through this quickly. Hopefully this helps somebody because I couldn't find an informative video that I needed. So here we go. The first thing you need to do when you're timing this engine before you take off any chains is rotate your crankshaft until this square mark is facing up and this line is facing up. I made sure number one cylinder is in top dead center. With this side, I put my timing marks on the bottom of the crankshaft. There's a timing mark there. When you remove these phasers, these cams seem to stay still. They're spring loaded, but they stay where they should be. Over here, they moved that direction. When I removed the front chain, the cams went that direction. However, all I got to do is put a wrench on it and move it back this way until the big chain will line up with that mark. So the trick to this side is, in order to get this chain off, you have to first remove this sprocket. Now, if you want to leave that sprocket on, because it does require a puller, you would have to hold both phasers at the same time, pull them off at the same time while undoing the chain here, and install it the same way. So when you got the phasers off, you line up the single mark with the color chain link and the single mark with the color chain link. Then you install the phasers onto their guide pins. There's a guide pin on the camshaft for the phaser. As you can see, I lined up the single mark and the single mark. So when I put my chain on, I'll put the color right there, and then I will turn that just a little so my color will align with this mark on this sprocket, which is, you can see, the mark is going to be on the lip right there, that little circle, but it lines up with that tooth there. So when this is installed, my big chain will line up, then both of these will line up, and that'll be that.